The National Weather Service in Milwaukee has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for western Jefferson County in southeast Wisconsin, southeastern Dane County in south central Wisconsin, southwestern Dutch County in southeast Wisconsin until 5 p.m. At 4:16 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Lake Koshkonong, or 7 miles west of Fort Atkinson, moving northeast at 40 miles an hour. Hazard: golf ball size hail and 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source: radar indicated. Impact: people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Fort Atkinson around 4:25 p.m., Lake Mills around 4:30 p.m., Jefferson around 4:35 p.m., Johnson Creek around 4:40 p.m. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Milford, Hobbleton, Utica, Busseyville, Rockdale, Albion and Hebron. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.